How to change name on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open up the Pinterest app and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three horizontal dots at the top right of the screen. And here you have two options. You can either click on the edit public profile if the Pinterest app has been updated, or if you don't have this feature yet, you can click on settings, and from the personal information, which is the first section, you can click on public profile. They will both take you to the same page where you can edit your first name and last name using the first and second option, just like this. Choose whatever name you want. The first name, and here you can change the last name. Once you're done, click on the red button at the top right of the screen to save. Then go back to your profile, and as you can see, the name has now been changed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your name on the Pinterest app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.